Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to show customer account login icon on mobile in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm right now on the desktop version. Here is the customer login icon. Okay, so if I check it by mobile, so inspect, click on here, device toolbar, and looks right now there are no icon, and right now you can see that there are no customer login icon, and we are actually wanted to display the customer login icon in mobile device. Okay, to do this, first of all we have to access our Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and search base.css file. Open the base.css file. Go to the bottom, then make a small space in here. Okay, now you have to add a simple code snippet in here. So don't worry about the code snippet, you will get the code snippet source link in the video description, so please check the video description. Here is the ready code snippet. Just copy this code snippet and paste it on your base.css file. Okay, now click on the save. Asset save. Now go back your Shopify store homepage and reload, then inspect. Wow, you can see that the login icon is visible here right now. If I reload again, reload, wow, it's working. So simple and easy. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.